Hello everyone, this is Z66 or Zakai, your underpaid, undertrained, underinsured mechanic, and I hope you enjoy the upcoming video. And feel free to take a moment to look around the channel while you're here. I hope you enjoy my videos. I do a little bit of everything. Automotive repair, tools, which is, like my Premature evaluation series, my full review series of ride the pony reviews, along with tool recovery, where I go to repair broken or damaged tools, anatomy of failure, what I discuss failures in a system and go over them, and of course, my new series of World of Finance, where I talk about, fun things like financing guns and general financial information. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to comment, like, subscribe at the bottom. And remember, I can't pay for these Ray-Bans without your help. Goodbye. Hey everyone, it's Z66, your underpaid, underinsured, undertrained mechanic. And today we have ARS1214 lithium-ion 12-volt 3-inch 2-speed mini polisher. I got this, another one of these AcDelco line of tools, and I love them. Let's take a look. We get this 10% off battery thing. I really need to use that. Whole bunch of little, comes with some buffer pads, and I bought some off him. Comes with 2 batteries, which is actually kind of surprising. They probably got a little juice in them. Put this in the right way. So, pop these little corners off. And we can take you out a little bit. Oops, the wrong way. It actually comes with 2 batteries in charger, which is pretty neat. I like this, just screws on. It's got a high and a low. Ow. Wait, just do that. It has a lot of functions. You can really control it pretty good, actually. And use a brake like a, what is it I'm thinking of? To unscrew, so like a flipping angle grinder. But yeah, no, I'm pretty excited for this. I got some detailing, some buffings I need to do. I'll get some use. Oh, and also it comes with a battery charger. It's always useful. But as part of this, the AcDelco line of tools that I really grew into like. Well, been Z66. I hope you enjoy it. I'll get some use on this, and I'll let you know what I think. Y'all have a good one. Goodbye. Well everyone, this is Z66, your undertrained, underinsured, and underpaid mechanic, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like, subscribe, comment below, because tell your mama, tell your grandmother, tell your doctor, because I can't do this alone, and I can't pay for these Ray-Bans without your help. Thank you very much, and I hope you enjoyed this video. You have a good day now. Goodbye.